Good morning, YouTubers, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and whoever else is out there. Today, me and the boys have got a mysterious case. I was asked if I could help find someone's cat. So now, boys, we have to keep a lookout for the cat. So what I'll do is I'm going to load a picture up of it and then I'll put it up on the video. So yeah, boys, we got a mysterious case. Mornings, enjoy your exercise. Come on. Hey? So what do you think, boys? Do you think we find the cat? Or would the cat come home by itself? Or it could be bad news. So, let's see if we can find them. Morning. So yeah, so this is case number 1. And I know it's a very hard task, but it's not impossible. So boys, now we have to investigate. Well, been in the security industry over 15 years, guarding people and investigating things. This shouldn't be too hard. But cats are very, very, very good at hiding. 2, they get hit by cars and then they're just left on the side of the road, so you can't identify them. 3, they're taken for reasons, mysterious reasons. 4, it could be a dog's got hold of the cats and just ripped it apart. Or 4, they're just scared because of fireworks. So their magnetic compass is thrown off, so they can't get home. So what they become is wild cats. So we're going to investigate and find out if we can get the owner's cat back to him. All right. Just to keep you updated, I told you new things are coming. So let's see what we can do. Well, Lexi, we're on a mission. And our mission is to see if we can find the missing cat. Yes. So, Lexi, the training is to use your nose, see what we can find, huh? Huh? Any evidence of any kind of cat that's in distress, huh? I know you guys can do it. You've got the nose to do it. So, let's see if we can find any evidence, hey? Yep. So this is case number 1. I'm here with Lexi, and we're on our walk. So on our walk, we're going to see if we can find anything that's interesting. Most probably it'll just be smells of other dogs, maybe cats, hopefully. And hopefully, let's see if she can pick it up. So, Lexi, let's get on the case. It's not too hot today. It's cloudy, but still a little bit hot. So, I try and keep the dogs. Let's leave the bird alone. We're not after the bird, please. It's still a little bit hot, so I try and not keep the dogs out too long. I don't want them burning. Ooh, what have we got there, Lexi? Huh? What have we got, Lexi? Well, the success rate of trying to find a missing cat, and I've been lucky so far because most of the cats have returned home, and the other cats, unfortunately, have never returned. So either they've gone feral or they've been taken, like I said in the first video. So today we're going to see if we can try and find him, and let's see what we can find out. But it's going to be a very, very hard task, and I'm always up to a hard task. So if you like this, calm down, it's only a bus. So if you like this videos, please hit and subscribe. If you would like to help me donate to see if we can find these people's cats alive, or if I need to deliver some bad news, it would be great. I'll leave a link down below to my PayPal so I can start helping out, and the donations will go to SPCA and other dog organizations, and then the rest will go to the channel to help support the channel, get new views and stuff like this. So, case number 1. So far, what we understand was the cat had he's an old cat, so he's not young, and he had an operation on the tummy. Now he's a grey and white cat. He's between maybe 7 or 8 years old, and he likes humans, but he does he's very, very friendly with humans, so that's a good thing. Last time it was saw was at 4 o'clock on just before New Year's, on his wall, and owners heard a kerfuffle, heard a meow, and that was it. There's also been reports of cats be taken either for mythical use, anything like voodoo or anything like that, because of a spiritual connection, and or been taken for food. So we don't know, but my opinion is that if the cat was taken for food, then it's going to be impossible to find. Okay. 3, could a dog taken it? Yes, there are a lot of feral dogs out there. So could it have been taken by a dog? Yes, that's another possibility. Or could it be that due to fireworks and stuff like that, that it's messed up his magnetic compass? It could be an option. So we're looking at everything, and you're coming along with me to investigate. So I would like to hear your opinions on this. So hit the like, subscribe, and let's hit 1 million more. All right. Thanks, fans. Let's get ready for it. This is where Mr. Simic is. Missing cat. So it's Operation Cat. Try and find Operation Cat here. But he's so well camouflaged. You cannot see anything at all. He could be anywhere. So this is going to be a mission. I wonder if it's nothing there. Hiding, because this goes right through. And then we've got all that area to search. So let's see if we can find him. If not, we're just going to have to be patient for him to come out again. Yeah, look at that. Sheesh.